Hey guys, so in this video we're going to solve systems by substitution. And this first video will be a little bit on the easier side. So whenever you're looking and you see that you have one equation that's solved for a variable, such as this one solved for y, while the other equation is in standard form, you might consider using substitution instead of graphing, because it's a little bit more direct. So all you do for substitution is take what the one variable is equal to, and you plug it in to the y. Remember the Glade commercials? Plug it in, plug it in. So you're going to go 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 4. That's going to equal to 21. Once you've done that, you can distribute this term into our parentheses. Make sure you grab the sign in front of it as well. If it's minus, you have to also distribute the negative, because a negative and a subtraction are identical, or interchangeable, if you will. So we get 2x plus 9x minus 12 equals to 21. We can then combine our like terms. So 2 plus 9 is 11x minus 12 equals to 21. And then we can add our 12 to both sides. So 11x is equal to 33. And then finally divide by 11. So x is equal to 3. Once you've done that, you can take your 3 and plug it back in for x. Because remember, we're talking about two lines that are intersecting at a point, possibly, right? So we plug in, we got to find that y. So 3 times 3 minus 4 will give us 9 minus 4, which is, so our intersection point is simply 3 comma 5. You can double check this on Desmos if you wanted to, but this is how you would solve it algebraically.